Looking at a jet drive boat. This is a Hamilton jet drive, which is the propulsion system. Actually has diesel engines inside the boat. And you can see this jet drive unit has been removed for servicing. There it is right there. Let me look inside the boat. You can see the water intake grating down there in the bottom. You can see that other hole where it goes up and connects to the transmission on the back of the engine that turns the impeller. In fact, here is the impeller right here. Instead of a propeller, it's an impeller. This is the bucket that reverses the thrust, just like on a jet airplane. So that's a reversing bucket, Hamilton brand. And then this is the jet nozzle. So if you want to run fast and run in shallow water, just think of a big boat, 30, 40, 50 feet long, with jet drives, very much like a jet ski would have. So there you go. This is a jet drive boat. You have any questions? Ask Captain Chris.